Hi there. This is video U523, normal distribution practice. This is more like the questions you get on a test or an assignment or something, where you get one question, you do the analysis, and it's just like one part, not like our previous practice where it's like, here, draw a graph and answer 10 questions about it. It's like one, just one, but we need to practice. So at this point, we have done 3 worksheets for practice, and you should for sure be able to just turn this off, do the work, turn it back on, or check the answer key. Okay, I have faith in you. Probably what you should do is check the answer key and then go, yeah, I got this. Because math is cool that way. Sorry, just saying. All right, let's take a look. Draw and label diagram for each of these questions. You know what? Honestly, the moment I see I lost a word in there. The mean. Aha, there it is. It'll be on your sheet. Wait. I'm not sure about the English. I'll fix it. So if I see pounds, or basically if I see this word, that's the main one. If I see standard deviation, it's like, yep, I'm going to draw myself a curve. Don't even have to care about the rest of the questions. I'm just going to draw myself a curve. There's my middle. There's mu. And it is 77 is here. Whoops, 77. And standard deviation of 6, so plus 6, minus 6, minus 6. All right. Yes, I'm being lazy. 77 plus 6 is 83, plus 6 is 89. See, I can still do math. Yeah, plus 6 is 95. 77 minus 6 is 71. Minus 6 should be 65. Minus 6 would be 59. And this is pounds. And this is frequency. And I forgot to put my numbers in. Tell you what, guys, let's just all agree that we don't have to write a percent sign after every single one of those, because it makes it look messy. And weight of male Labrador retrievers. I picked that because that's what my jelly bean is. All right, what percent of the dogs would be over 65 pounds? So all we do is define 65, and we want, because I'm only doing one question, use my handy dandy highlighter, and this is the area that I want. So 2 ways. The background does weird stuff to me. I can go 13.5 plus 34 plus 34 plus 13.5 plus 2.35 plus 0.15. I predict 97.5%, but I don't know. Let's check. 13.5 plus 34 plus 34 plus 13.5. Woohoo! Yeah, I say 97, and I heard 2. Let's try that again. 97.5%. can you think of another way to do that question? Let's look at our graph. Well, the whole thing is what? 100%. And I'm going to take away, I didn't color this one. And I didn't color this one. So let's see what that gives us. Same answer. Okay. You don't need to do it both ways, but I do it because it depends on how your brain works. Heck, you could have said, hey, there's half my graph. That's 50%. I'm going to add on those two. There's multiple ways to get the answer. But I would like you to show me when you're handing in stuff for me, or just when you're doing it yourself, because practice is going to make it permanent, right? I'm not looking for perfect. That'd be nice. I'm not there. You're not there. I don't think so. Maybe you are. Anyway, practice, practice, practice. Permanent, permanent, permanent. It'll stick in your brain better. And if every time you do this question, it's like, nope, nope, don't like that. I'm just going to add up all the bits that I colored. Do it every single time. Then if you're under more stressful conditions, maybe a hand-in assignment or an exam or something like that, boom, you know exactly what to do because you've done it, 15 times. Okay, sorry, there's my little round. The mean salaries of teachers is 55,400 with a standard deviation of 9,200. By the way, that is from some random stats I found in this for the States. It has nothing to do with Canada, but I want to do something besides the mass of a dog or a cat. What percent of teachers make less than 46,200? All right. And there's my mean frequency. And divide. Percents, 0.15. All right. Teacher salary. Now, should have made it bigger. There's nothing saying that you couldn't, I don't know, if you don't like this, group two on a separate piece of paper so you've got lots and lots around you. Or, like I said, do it on graph paper and then it'll be all nice and symmetrical for you. What I'm going to do, and I can do this because, hey, it's not a whiteboard attached to the wall. 55 for and welcome our guest host for this video. That would be Jellybean, protesting that she is in her crate right now. Whoops, that doesn't make any sense. That shouldn't go there. If I subtract it, it should be the one up here. Might as well keep going. Whoops. 64,600 plus 9,200. All right. So now Not sure if I've ever apologized for my writing. I'm sorry. It's not the greatest. But it's me. I make up with it with my sunny disposition and exciting teaching skills. I guess for units down here, we'll just put dollars. All right, what percent of teachers make less than 46.2? All right, use my green pen. There's 46.2. So we want this section in here. So 0.15 plus 2.35 plus 13.5, which I am 95% sure is 16. Yeah, 16%. And I'm just going to check, see, said what percent? I answered in percent. Up here, what percent? I answered in percent. Because I don't like making mistakes. Or, getting 4 out of 5 just because I didn't read the questions properly. The grip strength of females aged 40 to 59 was measured by Statistics Canada to be 28.2 kilograms with a standard deviation of 6.5 kilograms. I'm not kidding. I looked on Stats Canada just looking for random means and standard deviations. This one came up. Oh, look. Right there. The moment one of my questions has the size of the data set in it, you know what? It's going to probably say how many. So I got to remember to do that extra step of multiplying, dividing by 100 and multiplying by this at the end. So that's just a remind me. It's like, remind me. Feel free to yell at the video if I forget to do it. All right, time for my graph. And there's my mu, there's my middle. All right, let's put some numbers in. 28.2. And then, whoops, let's do it the easy way. All right, so there we are. 28.2 plus 6.5. 34.7. 41.2. 7.7. All right, going the other way. 28.2 minus 6.5 minus 6.5. Ooh. I was just thinking, I remember I used to have a real cheap calculator and just keep hitting the equal bar, and apparently mine does exactly the same thing. So I don't really have to keep retyping minus 6.5. I just hit equals and it does it for me. I'm so excited. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. All right. So this was grip strength. And this was kilograms. All right, so 34.7. Highlighter, there's a line, and I want greater than, so it's maybe bigger than that. So 13.5 plus 2.35 0.15, 16%. So remember, we have to know how many. So we're going to divide that by 100, convert it over to a decimal, and then we're going to multiply it by 15,400 because that's how many people they talk to. So times 15,400. So 2,464 females. And there we go, right? Again, if the question had said percent, we'd be done right there. But it didn't. It said how many. And my hint there is it gave you the total number. And that was a hurrah for getting the question right from Jelly Bean.